Hello friends, today we are going to see the MCQs on Jammu Kashmir constitutional changes. Article 370, which granted special status to Jammu and Kashmir, was abrogated in which year? C. 2019. On the August 5, 2019, the President of India issued CU.O.272 revoking Article 370 and ending the special status of Jammu Kashmir. Which two union territories were created following the reorganization of Jammu and Kashmir? B. Jammu Kashmir and Ladakh. Which of the following statements is true after the abrogation of Article 370? B. The entire Constitution of India applies to Jammu and Kashmir. Which article of the Constitution was used to abrogate Article 370? D. Article 373. After reorganization, how many members of the parliament represent Jammu and Kashmir in the Lok Sabha? D. 6. Which law allowed the bifurcation of the state of Jammu and Kashmir into union territories? C. Jammu and Kashmir Reorganization Bill 2020. Which of the following constitutional bodies now has jurisdiction in Jammu and Kashmir post 2019? D. All of the above. Which of the following directive principles of state policy now apply to Jammu and Kashmir? D. All DSPS apply. Since the entire constitution now applies, Part 4 is also applicable. Can the parliament now legislate on any subject from union list, state list or concurrent list in Jammu and Kashmir? B. Yes, it can legislate on all three lists as Jammu and Kashmir is a UT. What is the status of Article 350A after the abrogation of Article 370? B. It was repealed along with Article 370. Guys, thank you for watching the videos and please like, share, subscribe the channel for more current affair videos. Thank you.